6 months of luxury sobriety. It wasn't easy, but I did it. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I want to talk about my luxury sobriety. It's been already 6 months. It's actually going month 7 since I purchased anything luxury. And even if you see some unboxing on my channel, say 4 months ago, etc., it's not something that I purchased 4 months ago. It's something that I purchased 6 months or even more before. It was just sitting in my closet, or let's say I pre-filmed the video but never really published. In fact, I'm gonna have also my Christmas gift unboxing coming soon, but I purchased it also more than 6 months ago. So as I said, it wasn't easy, guys. It wasn't easy. If anyone who knows how much you like luxury and how much you love fashion and how much you love shop, it's really wasn't easy. And believe it or not, it's like fighting demons almost every single day. But I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself because I did it. In fact, yes, I did it. I didn't shop for 6 months. So was it an accident? No, it wasn't an accident. It was conscious decision, and I will tell you why I did it. It was an accident that happened at Hermes. And I have a whole video. In fact, I believe I even have 2 videos on my channel dedicated. One of them is describing why you don't get any offers, not just the quarter bags, but let's say something simple as I don't know, pair of shoes or rodeo, or I'm talking about the pair of shoes that more popular per se. And the second one, I said that I stopped shopping at Hermes. And the reason for that, because I was pretty much witnessing when another SA offering to his clients several different pair of shoes. In fact, they were in my size and the shoes that I wanted. He offered that person several like rodeos, and she goes like, oh my goodness, I have so many rodeos. And it's not that I was like, you know, really trying to listen, but the room were very small, and they're literally just a couple of feet away from me. And he was offering all this stuff for his client. And then my SA came and I asked specifically for that rodeo because clearly she didn't want it. And she says like, no, we don't have anything to offer for you. And then I was kind of like really upset. And then I tried another time coming to the boutique, and I was once again, so am I there even to ask if there is that rodeo or any rodeo in that fact, because I don't have a single rodeo still in my collection, can be offered to me. And she goes like flat. The answer is still no. Well, I left the boutique, and I know that I'm trying to fight the fights that I cannot really win. Clearly, Hermes doesn't care for me or for anybody in that matter on my level. Especially right now, Hermes is so popular because of the media. I know if I'm not buying something, they have thousands and thousands of other purchasers willing to drop thousands and thousands of dollars. But I wouldn't be respecting myself in the future if I would let somebody treat me so badly but continue shopping, you know. And it was a conscious decision. I said like, you know, so if my local boutique, once again, doesn't mean that I don't like Hermes or anything like that. No, absolutely not. What I meant, if my local boutique doesn't want my money, if they're offering somebody zillions of different shoes, different rodeos, and that money is good enough for them. But my money, hard-earned money, not good enough for my local boutique. I said, well, c'est la vie. Then it means my money could be good enough for another boutique somewhere else. And I decided that I'm not gonna shop at my local boutique unless they're gonna offer me a quarter bag, which is I'm already, like, you know, way above 1-to-1 ratio. And if they're not offering me, and then they don't show appreciation to me as a client who is really love brand and who is really willing to spend, I'm not spending anything at my local boutique. And that's it. I didn't shop at all at my local boutique after that. I didn't. The next question comes, am I sober forever? And I'm talking about luxury sober. No, definitely not. I am in Spain right now. If you guys follow my channel, you know, and in fact I choose this very little town. It's almost like, you know, fisher villagers centuries ago, etc. But I knew that in this little town you don't have any, you know, luxury boutiques per se, and I knew this in advance, and I chose this specific town intentionally. But I knew also that I'm planning my trip to Paris, and my trip to Paris is coming in January, and I'm ready to shop. I have several things in mind in Hermes, and I believe I truly deserve it, because I have been eyeing several items at Hermes, and I'm hoping that I can get them in, you know, Paris, France, and it would be so exciting, you know, shop at all Paris boutiques. And if it's gonna happen that I'm gonna get leather appointment and some quarter bag, that would be absolutely brilliant. Really, you know, dream comes true to get my quarter bag at Paris. It's something that any handbag lovers truly wish for. And we shall see. I have also some items that I wanna buy from Chanel, and specifically, like, you know, Rook and Bone. 31 Rook and Bone. It would be also, once again, so very nice. Let's see if I want to buy something from Louis Vuitton, but we shall see. Anyway, I have like lots of items that I'm planning to buy at Paris. Hopefully I will be able to buy all those items, and if I will be extremely glad. In conclusion, it was a conscious decision. First and most, I want to see if I was able to do it. If I was really able to do it, not to shop for such a period. And in fact, by the time I'm gonna come to Paris, it's pretty much going to be over 7 months, and it's going to be on kind of tilting to month number 8, not shopping. And I truly believe that I deserve that big pat on the shoulders and saying, like, you know, I really did it. So like, as I said, anyone who really considered themselves, like, you know, self-diagnosed shopaholic, they know how hard it is, because every single day you're being bombarded at the media and everywhere, like, you know, with new items from Chanel, from Louis Vuitton. Every single season, like, you know, essays are contacting you, etc. And it's really hard resisting. It's really hard resisting. But I did it, and I truly deserve it, to reward myself, you know, with my trip to Paris, and really indulge myself in luxury shopping at Paris. So that's about it, guys, for today, for this video. I hope that you enjoy this video. I want to know all your opinion on my decision. Are you supporting me in this decision? Or if you've been treated at the boutique so badly, are you still continue shopping at that boutique? Are you still willing to give away your money, your hard-earned money, for somebody who truly doesn't appreciate you? And I'm not saying that my essay is bad, absolutely not, because she is also a simple person who follows the rules and the policies, and I'm assuming what she's been told to do. And I'm assuming for the higher management, or I don't know, for somebody, my money wasn't good enough. So that's about it. So I just want to know what you haven't done in my position. Would you continue shopping with the boutique, or would have do the same as I did, kind of boycotting my local boutique? So that's about it, guys, for today. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give me likes, share, subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.